OMG. This is absolutely amazing. This is a bus terminal in the Philippines. It looks like airport. There are many restaurants. And there are designated gate number. Gate number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like airport. Gate number 7. Bus terminal in the Philippines. This is super amazing. Fully air conditioned. Bakit 8 na dito? Dumampalan kita. Halika dito, be. Mapabayaan kita ng aeroplano. May agi dyan? Gua karo? Wrong gate number. Dito yan, be. Dito mo buhat yan. Yan. There are gate number designated. Ano oras yung boarding time ta? Ayan doon. Gate number 1 to 4. 1:30 no? Bus terminal in the Philippines. Kaya mo bing buhatin? Dyan. Bilis, Bi. May trolley. Napapakan ang gate number 5. Bakit na may digdi? Baka sa taas. Patas na ba yan? 5, 6, 7. Ay, buray mga bayan kita ng aeroplano kainin. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. I'll see you next time. Thank you.